Now, you clicked on this video because you're looking for a COD mobile hack that's going to get you free coins or free COD points, and it's going to allow you to completely dominate the game with Wallhacks and everything of the sort, guys. This is the best COD mobile hack working in 2025 on iOS and Android. And as I mentioned, this is going to be a mod menu that's going to get you not only Wallhacks, it's going to get you Aimbot and pretty much unlimited free CP in CODM. This is working in 2025 on iOS and Android. So you can see, guys, you need to make sure you have COD Mobile installed on your phone, and then also make sure your low power mode is turned off. If you're on an iPhone, just make sure your low power mode is off because you need the background app refresh to be working. Next, open up the internet on your phone and then head on over to wavyplugin.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video and copy this down if you need to. This is an awesome modded app store. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down the homepage. They have some of your favorite games and applications on here. Go to the search bar, search for COD Mobile, and you're looking for the Call of Duty mobile mod. Click to get COD mobile mod on iOS and Android to unlock all features. So like I said, guys, this is going to get you Wallhacks, Aimbot, everything, guys. And when this loads up, you may see a device verification. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this simply because I've already done this. But you may see a device verification. Just follow all of the instructions, and it will basically get the mod on your phone, and you run it in the background as you play the legit Call of Duty mobile game, and it's going to give you tons of fresh new features and hacks. So yeah, that is the best Call of Duty mobile hack in 2025. Just head on over to Wavy Plugin, find the COD mobile mod menu, and go ahead and do that, guys, and make sure you do fully complete the verification, and that is how to do it. So enjoy, smash the like button, leave a comment below if you need any help getting your Call of Duty mobile mod, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.